right, guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury real estate experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, so today we get to show you and tour a totally reimagined mid-century modern here in Preston Hollow. This one is located just walking distance from Preston Hollow Village, 5 minutes from North Park Mall, and only 15 minutes from downtown Dallas. So I can't wait to show you guys. This one's pretty darn cool. I think I say that all the time, but this one really is. The designer touch is phenomenal. Anyway, Sheila, give us more information about this particular property.
Yes, it is a 4-bedroom. It's 3.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage, 3,054 square feet. It is listed at $1,299,000, which is $425 a square foot, and it's on a 0.34 acre lot.
Fantastic.
So yeah, it's beautiful.
Yep, can't wait to show you guys.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market, or perhaps you're looking to buy a house here in the Dallas area. If you are, either one of those two, please fill out the buyer or seller consultation form in the link down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.